How's it going, YouTube? Today we're going to go over my five easiest front flippers. Before I do that, I'm going to go over the ones that didn't make the list. Now these are all fairly easy to use, but I can only pick 5. Start off with the Bestech Gator. For this being a 9.3 inch knife, it's fairly easy to front flip. But blade is a little bit heavy, so if you're not experienced with it, it could be harder for you. The Kizer Fast. This has been around for a while. You can do it all the different ways. If they would have just put jimping all the way around the top, it would have been that much better. Petrified Fish Flavorist. This one's really good and I've liked it for a while. They got jimping all the way around. You can also do it all the different ways. Kubey Momentum. This is a popular one. It's pretty easy to use. Here's one no one's I've never seen a video on this knife. The Kubey Doris. It's pretty easy. I butchered this knife though, so I don't use it a lot. And it's pretty cheap too, 40 or under usually. Bestech Corgi. This one's pretty new. And multiple deployment options on this guy. It is easy. I'm just behind the camera. And this is my easiest front flipper that's a premium. The Concept Fin Rear. I love this knife. It's staying in my collection permanently. And it's a great front flipper. This one was the closest to making it up to the list, the Sincut Bronte. I have used the crap out of this knife. The coatings, the stone wash is starting to come off. And this one's really cheap, under 45 I believe. Now let's get into my top 5. Gonna start off with the Bestech Bihai. This is the smallest knife on the list at 5.24 inches. It's got a 2.1 inch blade that I've used a lot. It's 14C28N. Weighs 1.8 ounces, and these retail for $63. Now this would not be a primary knife for anybody, but 5th pocket carry, something to open boxes and stuff. It does not have the best jimping, but you don't need it because it is that easy. Someone that doesn't know how to front flip can do this. One finger, you can probably do it with every finger. I'm not very good with my other fingers, but it's very easy, trust me. If you're into small knives, this is a winner. Now we'll go with the only Kizer on the list. This is the Kizer Hiccup. It's been out for a while. These retail for $82. Got an overall length of 7.5 inches. Blade length of 3.25 inches. And this one's really easy to front flip. And it does have jimping all the way around. They've done a really good job on that. This does come in a black G10 version that does not have a front flipper. Only this one. I believe they have a premium fat carbon one with the front flipper too. Yeah, 154 cm, 3.3 ounces, button lock. Can't beat it. Now we're going to my newest knife on this list, the CJRB Echo. I did not expect this knife to be so good in every way, but it is. You can go over the top. You can do that. Use your thumb. Not to mention you got reverse flick, thumb flick, and the button. Now, you don't have the best jimping on this one, and it doesn't go over the top, but it's just that easy that it don't matter. This knife is a 7.48 inches, 3.23 inch blade of AR RPM 9 steel, which is a great stainless steel with good edge retention, powder steel. It's got a very thin and slicey blade. With the nice stonewash, this comes in several different options as well. It weighs 3.5 ounces, and you can get these anywhere between $50 and $60. And I'll try to link all these down below if they are in stock. At least my top 5. And this is the Civivi Sokoke. It not only is it the best front flipper from Civivi that I have, but it's the best Civivi I have, period. It's a Ray Laconico design, 7.64 inches with a 3.35 inch big blasted blade. It's in 14C28N, and it weighs 3.45 ounces, and retails for $65.50 for this version. It could have been even better. They didn't put jimping all the way around, but like the Biha and the Echo, it's just so easy to do that it doesn't matter. You can do it however which way you want. And you've got thumb studs for backup. So great looking micarta, reversible pocket clip that I've exchanged for this titanium flamed anode one. Yeah, just a great knife. And my last but not least is my Kubey Hyde. It's probably my favorite of all of them because I've had it for the longest, and I think they perfected it at first. This is sort of a mohawk flipper. You can do any which way, and the jimping is perfect on this one. This is designed by Colin Mason Pierre, CM Designs. It's in 14C28N, 6.89 inches, so it's a little bit smaller, but still very carryable. 2.95 inch blade, 3.8 ounces, and these retail for $56, but usually you can get them a little bit cheaper. You can also, I messed that up. You can also thumb flick this knife, and the reverse flick is even better. This is a winner. It's a very underrated knife, and hands down my favorite Kubey for sure. Now, that's all I got for this. Put these back up here. If you're into front flippers, or if you're wanting to try one for the first time, any one of these 5 would be great if it's your style. So subscribe if you haven't already, like, comment, and see you in the next one.